Hello there, beautiful people. My name is Untitled Chapter. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be looking into a recipe, a homemade mayonnaise recipe. It's very easy and quick and tasty, and it saves you from buying all the chemically processed mayonnaise out there. You can do it by yourself at home, guys. I know you can. I'm going to be using this immersion blender, and this is the blender jar, so I'm going to be using it to make the recipe. For this recipe we are going to need a full egg. Let's get the egg into the blender jar. We are going to need 1 cup of oil, get into the blender jar. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and lastly, a quarter of a lemon. For a big lemon, I get to use like a quarter, but for a smaller lemon, you can use like half a lemon. Let's get our lemon in. Squeeze it in. Okay. So it's time to blend. So let's blend. With this immersion blender, I take it right down to the bottom. I start blending from the bottom up. So let's go. Then I lift it up a bit and I blend it in the middle. And I take it to the top. All right. I think we are done with the blending. Let's keep this aside. I hope you see the consistency that well. Look at how thick it is. Oh my god. Can you see this that well? It's so, oh my god, it looks so nice. So nice. It's thick. So you can the blender jar has a lid. You can just put it over it and store in the refrigerator, or you can also get it into an airtight container and you store in the refrigerator. So I'm going to transfer this into a clearer bowl so you can appreciate the consistency or the thickness. How creamy and dense this looks. Oh my god. I want us to look at it. Look at it. It's so creamy. Look at the dropping. Look, it's so creamy. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. You can do your own mayonnaise at home in less than a minute. It's that easy. You can flavor it up with black pepper, a little bit of black pepper, a dash of black pepper, or any other thing. Maybe like small leafy greens chopped into very tiny pieces. Leafy greens that are flavorful. Thank you very much for watching. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification button right down below so you get notified when I upload. You'll be the first to be notified when I upload. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.